Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to organize your cables and cords easily. This will be a simple and straightforward tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The thing that I love the most about this method is that it makes use of things that you're probably recycling or throwing out anyways. This right here was a simple paper towel roll that I cut up. And the beauty of this method is that you can cut it to size. You can use a toilet paper roll, a paper towel roll, a wrapping paper roll, any type of cardboard roll will work fine for this method. Now you want to cut the roll pieces to size. So you can cut them to be whatever sizes that you want. And you know that we all have that drawer somewhere in the house where it's filled with cords and cables and they're just lying there like this and it doesn't make any sense at all. Well, this method will really help you stay organized, okay? So what you can do is you can cut them to size. Let's say I needed a smaller one, right? You place them upright in your drawer, on your desk, wherever you want. And you can be creative with how you place them. And then you can organize your cables. So I can, instead of just shoving these headphones in there, I can just, fold the headphone wire up nice. I can really wrap it nicely if I wanted to, or I can just fold it nicely because it's gonna stay placed in there. So I folded it up and you place it inside of that roll, okay? Now the roll keeps it contained, but the weight of the headphone wire or the cords in there keeps it weighted down, which is even better. So in my drawer, right beside that, I could have another one right over here, okay? And I could place this cord inside of it. Now you can even use like tie wraps to tie up your cords really nicely. But you get your cord, you obviously wind it up to size, okay? And then you can place it inside of the roll, the paper towel roll, the toilet paper roll, whatever. And it stays there organized, okay? Once again, right beside that, I could place this cord. Now this is a little bit too big, obviously. I would cut it to be about half the size. But I could place this cord right beside it. And you keep your drawer so organized using this method. And it pretty much makes use of something that you already have anyways. For the most part, people use toilet paper and paper towel and then they either recycle the rolls or throw them out, but you can make use of them just like this, It's very simple, just like this, just like that. It's so easy to do. Just organize your drawer. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.